here today in beautiful, breezy Long Beach, California to take a look at one of the finest cruising sailing yachts ever created, the Oyster 66. Come with me now and let's take a tour. Some notable features on this Oyster 66. Starting at the bow, the Reckman hydraulic furlers for making your life simple when you're ready to go sailing. As we move towards the mast, we see that there's self-tacking gear on the deck for the Salon with a pendulum sheet. One of the most important things about this Oyster 66, the brand new carbon fiber rig and Park Avenue boom by Max Spar of Italy. Accompanied by standing rod rigging out of stainless, it weighs half what the original package did and makes sailing this boat even more of a dream. One of the great features about the Oyster 66, giant center cockpit. Seating for at least 10 of you and your friends. A large cockpit table with leaves that flip up. A huge ice box inside the cockpit table. And to finish it all off, two nice helm stations with carbon fiber wheels. We're here in the Salon of the Oyster 66, and what a beautiful salon it is. There's ample seating for 8 to 10 guests, a nice expandable table, panoramic views wherever you look, and the forward, port, and starboard windshield sections open to allow fresh air whenever you need it. The Galley is equipped with a lot of counter space, cavernous ice boxes and freezers, a double stainless steel sink, and a large oven and stove. This Oyster 66 has 5 staterooms. Forward, we have 2 guest staterooms, both with ensuite heads. As we tour the vessel, note the watertight doors. Oyster has always been focused on safety for you and your family. After the Salon, towards the rear of the vessel, we have 2 more staterooms, port and starboard. Finally, we have the master stateroom all the way aft. She's full beam, has a dressing table, nice TV, full-size queen walk-around bed, a very comfortable stateroom. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Oyster 66. I hope you've enjoyed it. My name is Dave Millett with Denison Yachting in California. Please contact me for a personal tour with any questions. I look forward to hearing from you soon.